In the vast expanse of the universe, a new mystery has emerged, one that could rewrite our understanding of reality itself.
Stars disappearing. Not burning out or going supernova, just vanishing. What could possibly explain this?
Could it be alternate universes, wormholes, or some unseen cosmic force at play? Buckle up as we embark on a journey through the depths of space, armed with the sharp eyes of the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, and theories that stretch the limits of imagination. And before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It helps us continue unraveling the secrets of the cosmos and bringing you mind-blowing content. The JWST has been peering into the furthest corners of the universe, capturing breathtaking images and unraveling cosmic mysteries. But recently, it noticed something truly bizarre: stars and galaxies that were once visible simply vanished.
This isn't just a game of hide and seek.
These objects didn't fade out slowly or explode in a blaze of glory.
They're gone without a trace, leaving scientists scratching their heads.
Could it be an observational error, or is something much deeper going on? Some theories suggest we might be witnessing the effects of alternate universes or multidimensional phenomena. Others believe these stars are being pulled into black holes or even traveling through wormholes to distant parts of the cosmos, or beyond. Let's talk about alternate universes, a concept that feels ripped from the pages of science fiction. The multiverse theory suggests that our universe might be just one of countless others, each with its own laws of physics, dimensions, and realities. Now imagine this: what if a collapsing star in our universe creates a black hole, and that black hole acts as a bridge to another universe? It's as if these stars are playing a cosmic game of leapfrog, jumping dimensions while we sit here, completely oblivious. Scientists like Stephen Hawking have toyed with the idea that black holes might not just consume matter but also eject it into other realities. Could the disappearing stars JWST observed be the first evidence of this?
Quantum mechanics offers another tantalizing possibility.
What if these stars are part of a universal quantum entanglement? Particles at the quantum level are known to communicate instantaneously, no matter how far apart they are. Could galaxies themselves be entangled across dimensions? If so, when one galaxy shifts or disappears in another dimension, its entangled twin might vanish from our view. It's a mind-bending idea that challenges our understanding of space and time. Picture the universe as an intricate web, a vast network of galaxies connected by filaments of dark matter.
This cosmic web stretches across billions of light years, forming the scaffolding of the universe. Now imagine this web isn't just a physical structure but a bridge to other realities.
Could some of these missing stars have wandered into another universe through these interdimensional pathways? Some scientists speculate that the cosmic web might occasionally brush up against other dimensions, creating a temporary doorway for matter to slip through.
Gravity is the force that binds the universe together, but what if it's more than that? Some theories propose that gravity could extend into other dimensions.
If that's true, galaxies and stars could be influenced by gravitational forces from parallel universes. Imagine a giant hand reaching out from another reality, gently tugging stars and galaxies out of our universe and into theirs. Then there's dark energy, the mysterious force driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. Could dark energy also be interacting with other dimensions? Some scientists theorize that dark energy might act as a cosmic siphon, pulling matter into hidden realms. This could explain the strange and sudden disappearances observed by JWST. What if the disappearing stars are a sign of something far more dramatic, a universal phase transition? Just as water can change into ice or steam, the universe might be undergoing a shift into a new state of existence. In such a scenario, regions of space could become incompatible with our current physical laws, causing stars and galaxies to phase out and vanish from our view.
The idea of disappearing stars and alternate universes isn't just a scientific puzzle, it's a philosophical one.
If there are other universes, what does that mean for our place in the cosmos? Are we just one tiny piece of an infinitely larger reality? And if stars can cross into other dimensions, could we someday follow them? The JWST is at the forefront of this cosmic investigation, scanning the skies for more clues. Every new observation brings us closer to understanding these mysteries. Whether it's through gravitational anomalies, redshift changes, or strange behaviors in the cosmic web, the hunt for answers continues. As we unravel these cosmic mysteries, one thing becomes clear: the universe is far more complex and wondrous than we ever imagined. Disappearing stars, alternate universes, and multidimensional theories are just the beginning. If you've enjoyed this journey through space and time, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Let's keep exploring the cosmos together, one mystery at a time.
Before we dive back into the depths of scientific theories, let's pause for a moment and explore how the multiverse has captivated our imagination through pop culture. From blockbuster movies like Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness to TV shows like Rick and Morty, the idea of alternate realities isn't just for astrophysicists, it's a narrative playground. Why does the concept of disappearing stars and alternate universes resonate so deeply with us?
It's because these stories touch on something primal, the what-if questions of existence. What if you had made a different choice?
What if a parallel version of Earth exists where humans never evolved, or where technology is centuries ahead of ours? Pop culture often mirrors scientific curiosity, reflecting our collective hunger to explore the unknown. In a sense, the James Webb Space Telescope is like the ultimate storyteller, unraveling cosmic tales far more intricate than anything Hollywood could script.
And now, let's return to the science that inspires these fantasies.
One fascinating variation of the multiverse theory is the bubble universe concept. Imagine our universe as a single bubble in an ocean of bubbles, each representing a separate universe. Occasionally, these bubbles may collide, creating ripples, or even openings, between them. Now, consider this: what if the stars we see disappearing are not merely slipping into a neighboring universe but are interacting with another bubble in this cosmic sea? These interactions could lead to energy and matter being exchanged between universes, creating phenomena that appear inexplicable from our perspective. This theory also introduces the tantalizing idea that some of the energy driving the expansion of our universe might actually be leaking into another bubble. Could these disappearing stars represent a kind of cosmic exchange, where one universe's loss becomes another's gain? Another compelling theory involves cosmic strings, hypothetical one-dimensional objects that are thought to exist in the fabric of spacetime. These strings are remnants from the early universe, formed shortly after the Big Bang, and they might act like seams stitching different parts of the universe, or even different universes, together. What if these cosmic strings are responsible for the disappearing stars? Imagine them as interdimensional highways, pulling matter from one universe to another. If a star passes too close to one of these strings, it could be transported instantaneously, leaving behind no trace in our reality. Interestingly, the presence of cosmic strings could also help explain other mysteries of the universe, such as the uneven distribution of galaxies. The James Webb Space Telescope might eventually find evidence of these elusive threads, providing a whole new dimension, literally, to our understanding of reality.
Black holes have always been a source of fascination and mystery.
These cosmic behemoths are known for their ability to devour everything in their vicinity, including light. But could black holes also serve as portals to other dimensions? The concept of black holes as gateways to alternate universes isn't new.
In fact, it's deeply rooted in theoretical physics.
Some researchers propose that when matter falls into a black hole, it doesn't just vanish, it's transported to another universe entirely. This process might explain why certain stars observed by JWST appear to vanish without a trace.
But here's the twist: not all black holes are created equal.
Some might be wormholes in disguise, acting as two-way bridges between universes. If this is true, then the stars disappearing from our view might be reappearing in another reality, potentially visible to an entirely different set of observers. One of the most puzzling aspects of the disappearing stars phenomenon is the gravitational anomalies associated with these events. Gravity, as we understand it, operates consistently across the universe. Yet, some of the stars observed by JWST exhibit gravitational behaviors that defy explanation. Could this be evidence of interdimensional forces at work? Some scientists speculate that these anomalies might be caused by gravitational waves emanating from parallel universes. If gravity can leap between dimensions, it might explain why certain galaxies appear to behave erratically, or vanish entirely. This idea isn't just theoretical. In 2015, scientists detected gravitational waves for the first time, confirming a major prediction of Einstein's general theory of relativity. These waves ripple through spacetime, and their detection was a game changer for astrophysics. Now, researchers are exploring the possibility that some of these waves might originate from phenomena occurring outside our universe. The cosmic web isn't just a stunning visualization of the universe's large-scale structure, it might also hold the key to understanding disappearing stars. This intricate network of galaxies, connected by filaments of dark matter, forms the backbone of the cosmos. What if these filaments act as interdimensional highways, allowing matter and energy to flow between universes? The stars disappearing from our view might be following these pathways, moving into regions of the cosmic web that overlap with other dimensions. Recent simulations of the cosmic web suggest that it's far more dynamic than previously thought.
These filaments aren't static structures, they're constantly shifting and evolving.
If interdimensional interactions are happening along these filaments, they could create the kind of anomalies that JWST is now observing. As we delve deeper into these cosmic mysteries, it's impossible to ignore their philosophical implications. If alternate universes exist, what does that mean for our understanding of reality? Are we just one small part of a much larger multiverse, governed by laws we can barely comprehend?
These questions challenge the very foundations of science, philosophy, and even religion.
If the stars we see disappearing are indeed moving into other dimensions, it suggests that our universe is not a closed system. Instead, it's part of a vast, interconnected network of realities, a cosmic web of unimaginable complexity. This perspective also invites us to reconsider our place in the universe.
Far from being the center of existence, we might be just one thread in a much larger tapestry. It's a humbling thought, but also an exhilarating one.
The JWST has already revolutionized our understanding of the universe, but its journey is far from over. As it continues to scan the skies, it will undoubtedly uncover new mysteries, each more perplexing than the last. One of the telescope's primary goals is to study the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. But in doing so, it might also stumble upon clues about the nature of the multiverse. For example, if JWST detects patterns of light or gravity that can't be explained by known physics, it could provide indirect evidence of interdimensional interactions. The telescope's infrared capabilities are also perfectly suited for studying the cosmic web. By mapping the distribution of galaxies and dark matter, JWST could reveal the hidden structures that connect our universe to others. The disappearing stars observed by the James Webb Space Telescope are more than just a scientific curiosity, they're a gateway to a new understanding of reality. Whether they're slipping into alternate universes, traversing cosmic strings, or being influenced by interdimensional forces, these stars challenge everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. And as we continue to explore these mysteries, one thing becomes clear: the universe is far more complex, beautiful, and awe-inspiring than we could ever imagine. If you've enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Together, we'll continue to explore the mysteries of